standards expected of professionalism. This is a professional development program. So there is a difference between having a profession and being a professional. We all are doing something, so that's like we all are professionals. But are we really portraying professionalism? And how does that come to make you differ and stand out is through that pie graph, what we have seen, the 8 attributes. If you are able to manage these 8 attributes, what we have discussed, you will be able to have a winsome position in terms of, doesn't matter what your experience, what your qualification, where you lack. So we all cannot be perfect, but still you can have that edge. You can be noticed for the right reason, and you're able to work and put your energy in the area which is much needed for you and which will get you much more advantage than rather. That was the last one. What
we conduct ourselves during the demo sessions, and how do we talk to parents, and how we take the sessions.
But there's one particular thing. Remember, there was a thing that you say hello, and I said there are different way of saying hello, and there is one hello that you're going to say with the power pose. So next time you open a session with your students, you make them feel like, oh, there's no place for anything that can go into it. Then he picked up some pebbles, small stones, and then he started putting them in the jar. He shook the jar a little bit, so the pebbles went down. They settled here and there, and they made space. Again, he lifted the jar and he asked the students, is the jar full now? And they were like, now it's absolutely full. Nothing can go inside. It's not about that. It just has to be quick. It has to be effective. Effective means the listener, whoever may be the listener, parent, student, potential employer, some collaboration, something else. They all get interested in knowing who you are and they understand about you better. And third, it should be impressive. It should let me see more than who you are. Just not that, okay, you introduce your name and your profession and your qualification. But I'm not finding it impressive because, okay, I'm doing the things